Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and another video. Today is not gonna be a sit down video, it's not. I'm actually planning, are you ready? To tackle the school cabinet. Now let me explain why. As you know, the school year is gonna be coming very, very soon. It is almost time to actually order school supplies. What? Where has the summer gone? Crazy. So before I can order those, I just wanna have my mind clear and know exactly what I have and what I need to order. So today's gonna be tackling the school cabinet. So I hope you enjoy this and it gives you some motivation to get ready for your homeschool year. Not sure if you homeschool or not, or maybe this is gonna be a brand new homeschool year for you. Let me know down below, but let's get started and clean this school cabinet. So here's my before. I'm just gonna open the doors and kind of show you guys what's in here. And yes, I will let you know right up front, all this stuff is not really school supplies. Over time, we have gone through and just thrown stuff in here that actually is not a school supply, but that's okay. This side pretty much looks like all school supplies. Just binders, things like that. School supplies in there, pencils, pens, you know, just your basic, typical school stuff. But all this needs to go because his books, he doesn't need them for next year. He's going into the 2nd grade. This side is Briley's. This is the side that has kind of became a catch-all. This is birthday supplies. These are some glasses we received in the mail. These are extra diplomas and certificates that I have back here in the back. And like I said, crepe paper, not a school supply. But we're gonna go through here, we're gonna organize, and just kind of organize, get it all straightened up, and pretty much get rid of all the books and things I don't need. So let's start taking everything out. That will be step number 1. So we got all that accomplished, and now it is time to tackle this big pile. So the first thing I'm gonna go through is pretty much this bin. It has a lot of books in it, and honestly, random stuff. Random stuff I'm just gonna put into a chair over to the side or fall on the floor, either one. More birthday ribbon. We don't need birthday ribbon, so that's over to the side too. So here's the pile I need to find something to do with. Some of it's trash, some of it's not, some of it's like donating. And yes, I need to go through that and see what I can do with what. And then I'm gonna go through these and reorganize. So the first step was kind of decluttering, getting rid of junk and things we don't need. Now it's gonna be organizing them into their correct bins. So I'm literally sitting here on the floor, honestly, kind of stuck. I don't know where to go from here. And what I mean is, I want to kind of organize it, and I almost want to declutter a little bit more, because I know when the kids get their new stuff for the school year, it's gonna be like really overwhelming with where we're gonna store all this stuff. Briley's gonna be doing a new program this year, so with her new program, she's gonna need probably a bin this size, like this one, just for her books. And I just don't know. I feel like I need to go out and maybe buy some more bins, but for now, I'm gonna try to organize it the best I can. And I'd love to see a few bins that are almost empty, but they're not. Right now, they're all pretty full, so that's what I have to do now is go through. And I've been sitting here for like the last 20 minutes just staring at it going, okay, how do I want to approach this? Do you moms have that trouble when you're homeschooling and you're trying to, you know, get rid of old curriculum to make room for new curriculum, and you just feel like you still have a lot of stuff left over from the school year? Some of this stuff Aiden will need for next year, but we also need room for his new books. So I don't know, guys, wish me luck. I'll come back with an update once I figure out exactly how I want to do this. So here's what I've done so far, and I apologize I didn't film it all on camera, but I just could not do it on camera and think at the same time because it was taking me too long. I do have 3 empty bins. This one has all of my like teacher supplies, the kids can use them too. This has art things in it, colored pencils, the glasses don't belong there, I just put them there. Colored pencils, markers, and crayons. And this is more like their arts and craft bin, just has some little arts and craft things in it. And then I have no home for some of this stuff. Of course, I did organize this, construction paper. These are Aiden's little counting things. And these are some flashcards I bought. And these 3 binders right here, I honestly think I'm gonna get us something different. I just don't like those for this school year, so I'm not really sure what I need. And I'm probably gonna go buy or try to buy one more big bin like that. But it's organized, so let's put it all up. So here's the final product, and it's not gonna stay 100% this way, but I feel better. These are empty. I still have this one empty, this one will be empty, and this one until books get here. And honestly, not sure if books are gonna go in here or just sit on the shelf. To be honest, not really sure. Like I said, new binders, gonna find a spot for that, but I think I'm gonna do Aiden's school stuff here, Briley's here. This will be reserved for me, and then this is all of our arts and crafts. But other than that, I think it turned out so much better, and it looks better than it did about 2 hours ago. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you're not, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. See you later.